some people were asking about what I pack when I go on my trips, and this is it. So I'm going away tomorrow morning on a 9-day trip, 8-day trip, something like that. I'm going to Prague, Vienna, and Budapest, which I'm super excited about. So this is everything that I'm bringing with me. It doesn't look like a lot, but minimalism is key for sure. So I'll just go through everything with you guys. Socks and underwear, a must. I won't have a washing machine, so definitely need to bring a good amount. Pajamas, a couple shirts, a few nicer shirts just in case I decide to go do anything. Bathing suit, because in Budapest there's tons of hot spring kind of things and like baths and everything, so I'm super excited about that. Just a cardigan kind of thing. I love wearing cardigans and like flannels and stuff because I always get cold. So yeah, that's that. And then I brought a pair of shorts just because it's supposed to be like super warm, which I'm really excited about. I also brought another pair of leggings, just because I always love wearing leggings. They're so comfortable. And then obviously my passport, which I'm super excited to get more stamps in. And then my itinerary, everything that I'm doing, and then my laptop, of course, because I'm going to be doing lots of blogging and editing videos, and yeah, so I'm super excited about that. Another thing that I didn't include in what I'm packing is what I'm going to be wearing tomorrow. So just have a long sleeve shirt because it gets cold on the plane. And then I have my overalls, which I love, love, love. They're my favorite. Yeah, it always makes me feel like a kid, and who doesn't want to feel like a kid? And then I always bring a flannel on the plane or something really warm. Also, don't pack your heaviest clothes. You should wear them on the plane so you don't have to worry about your bag weighing extra. So when I travel, I usually put all my heavy clothes on me, like if I'm bringing jeans or another flannel kind of thing. So yeah, that's all I'm bringing for 9 days. It doesn't look like a lot, but I feel like I'm not even gonna wear a lot of the stuff, but we'll see.